I love pink. Like the one time in your life you want something common. Is it wrong that I always think that these are the cutest part of the box? Okay, so let's talk about this a little bit. I'm half and half on this. I like the designs. I'm not always one for vibrant things, but this is cute. Final doll comes in pink common, blue rare, or green ultra rare. The one time in my life that I hope for something common, because it's pink. It's pretty good quality, I think. I really like the design of this fireworks balloony thing. It's very cute. I think they did a good job with that. So this carnival theme, we've got it's not a fanny pack, it's a hip pack. Okay, so we've got lots of fireworks, and we've got little twin stars, pom pom pudding, Pochaco, My Melody, Choco Cat, Batsmaru, Kirafi. It's cute. It's got a little pocket on the inside. It's a kind of decent size. And I mean, it's slim, but you can fit a decent amount of things in here, I'm sure. Take your pin set, for example. It's decent for something very slim. Even if it's thin, it does feel like the quality is pretty decent. It feels like it's decently sturdy, so that's a plus. And then, like all, I keep wanting to say fanny pack. This calls it a hip pack. Same spell, but open and close. Same standard way. Cute. Okay, let's talk about this shirt. I really like it, and I think it's really cute, but once again, it's quite big for the size I am starting to feel like the clothes as of lately is running a bit larger, and it's not a bad thing. The colors are really nice. The design's really cute. I really like this design. And I'm much happier with this shirt as opposed to the tank top that came in the last one. So, I mean, it is small-ish, like, I guess I still think this could qualify as like a medium though. It's not as, I would say that last month's shirt was a lot bigger though. I would say that one was about 2 sizes up. Maybe this one is about 1 size up. Although it's also could be unisex. So next we have the multi-character notebook. I'm a little disappointed, well, not super disappointed. I have a hard time being disappointed with anything that's pink. But even though it's pink, I really would have liked it if I could have seen some type of character designs going on the inside. I feel like that would have made it a little bit more special, a bit cuter to look at, because really when you're on the inside it's just plain pink and there's really nothing going on, and you kind of forget what kind of a note, well, not forget, but it kind of loses interest in what it actually is unless you're staring at the outside or the back, which is cute. But I personally really like it when I can open up my notebook and see something cute going on inside. But I do like that it's pink. This is the little trinket that came. You had a chance at getting either Hello Kitty, which is what I got here, or Pom Pom Pudding, My Melody, Gudetama, or Cinnamoroll. There's not a lot that's going to fit in here. I mean, this is the reference size of like my nail to the container. It's not too big. It's pretty tiny. So, I mean, yeah, if you wanted to fit like maybe a couple of pills or something in it, like that would fit. But it's cute. For all of you who are into pins, these are really cute. I like the character choices going on for this month. I'm not particularly a big pin person. I kind of wish that they would come up with something a little bit different. And not that pins aren't useful, but I kind of wish that they would come up with something a little bit more useful and practical. But I mean, they're cute. So overall, oh, and this is the back of the pamphlet. I always think these are the cutest and almost my favorite part of the whole box, almost every time. Overall, do I think this month was worth it? Honestly, not really. I do really like the shirt a lot. That's probably the only thing saving me this month. Not that the rest of it isn't cute. It's always cute, but I feel like it's a little bit lackluster aside from the shirt. But otherwise, I hope all of you get whatever color Hello Kitty you are hoping for. Bye!